Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'll be making a reversible satin hair bonnet, and these are the materials I will be needing. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe, like and turn on the notification bell. I've already measured and cut out the material for one side of the bonnet off cam, and now I'll be cutting the other material. Note guys, the bonnet has two colors, grey and pink. So fold the material into 4 places, creating a smaller square shape. Then I measure 30.5 inches from the midpoint of the material all around the smaller square, and I cut it out. So after cutting it out, I had something like a cone, like the shape was like a cone. I placed the smooth and shiny side of both materials on each other, then I sewed it round, leaving a small space. The space I left is for turning the material inside out. So this is how it looks after sewing the edges round. So now I'm going to be turning it inside out from that space. After turning it to the good side, you iron to press down the edges and make it look smooth. So I'm going to take it to my machine now. To sew the space, I'll be inserting my elastic band. So the length of the elastic band is 1 inch. But I'll be leaving about 1.5 inch on my material. I'm using the big elastic band. Yeah, the smaller ones, but I'm using the bigger one. So I'm sewing it now. I started sewing from that space I opened so that I can insert the band and then close the space back. So after sewing, it's time to insert the elastic band, and I'll be using a safety pin for this process. Note guys, I started inserting the band from that opening I left from the beginning, that opening that has been there from the beginning. That's where I started inserting the band from, and I will insert the band all around the bonnet. It will come out again in that opening. The size of the elastic band depends on how you want it. If you want it tight or loose. So after fixing the band, you check it with your hands. You check how tight it is or how loose it is. You can even wear it on your head and check before cutting the band. So after cutting that, I took it to my machine and it's time to sew. I prefer to sew the band actually instead of tying it. Sewing is better for So after sewing the band, insert it into the bonnet fully and then join that space together. Fold it and sew it. So this is the finished hair bonnet, guys. A reversible satin hair bonnet. So please, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Don't forget to turn the notification bell also. Thank you very much. Bye, and see you guys on my next video.